Good morning. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you an example of how to do the analysis in Google Slides. So in this project, you have to create a slide for each company with the following information. You're going to need the company, the name, and the logo, your initial investment, which is the price per share of that date. If you're in my personal finance class, you started February 28th. If you're in my admin tech class, the project started March 16. You're going to put the number of shares you bought that date and your total investment, which is your price per share times the shares that you bought. Then you're going to analyze with today's current date, May 19, 2020, the price per share of today, the total price of investment of today's investment, and if you have a profit or your loss, a percentage. So I'm going to show you an example. I'm actually going to use a student's example. So the example is Electronic Arts. Initial investment, right? He bought it February 28th at 111 per share. He bought 9 shares, so that means 111 times 9 is 999. That's his total investment for February 28th. Then he analyzed it to today's date. 519, the stock went up $7. His total investment is now 1,062, and his profit percentage is 6.31%. He added the logo, he added the company's name. You could also insert other photos. You can format the borders, right? The colors, add bullets. You can also change the background. If you go into slides, you would need your project. Initial investment 228, bought it at 370, 4 shares. Well, he changed it. All right, he should have 4 here. Oh, sorry, that was Louis Vuitton. Electronic Arts, right here you go. 4 shares, 9 shares, 111, and he went all the way up to today. Today's at 118, and got all the information from the project. I hope this is helpful. And if you have any questions, just let me know. Be creative, change your fonts, change the background, format the borders, make it look appealing to the eye. So if you have any questions, let me know. And this is another example of his other slides. So you have to be creative. For this one, I would add different borders, different backgrounds. So if you have any questions, just send me a message via Google Classroom or just send me an email. This is due on Friday.